Welcome to BAM, Badass Moms with Lori and Jenny. We are moms on a mission to share women's stories about life, fitness, aging, relationships, travel, and much more. Hello, friends, and thanks for listening. I just wanted to take a second to give you a quick reminder about subscribing to the show. If you have not already, just take a moment and do so. This will make sure that you never miss a daily bite or an upcoming episode. And in addition to that, if you have a few extra moments and like to drop us a review, we'd really appreciate it. And there's also a sponsor of the show located at the bottom of all of our episodes. Once again, thank you for listening. Thank you for being badass. Hello, friends, and welcome to today's Daily Bite. I wanted to talk about the importance of self-care and making sure that you take care of you. So, as many of you know, I am 43, and it's kind of a surreal thing, I think, as we get older and we see the number of the age we are, and we're like, but I don't feel that old. But anyways, so at 43, starting 3 years ago, I started going, and as every woman should, getting a mammogram done. And I recently just went and had my annual mammogram done on Monday. And thankfully, everything came back good. But my point is how important it is to make sure that you take those, what might seem like an inconvenience or what might seem like, easier just to push to the side to get that annual blood work done, or just that general checkup, that you make it a priority. I think staying on top of our health is so important. And although hopefully, you're doing things every day to make sure you're living the most healthy life possible, sometimes there's things out of our control. And sometimes the sooner we can catch those things, the better our chances are of making sure that we can get our body back to a healthy place. So, I know that Jenny a while back did I think it was a bite about going and getting a colonoscopy done, and how important that is. I just want to put this out there as a reminder, because personally I've had a handful of very close friends that have been diagnosed with breast cancer, and and I recently lost a very dear friend of mine to it. So I think it's just so important that you really take the time to take care of you. And also, if you're not 40, and you're not getting those annual mammograms, you know what? Those self-checks are so, so important. So make sure you're taking the time to really, be aware of what's going on in your body. And if something doesn't feel right or seem right, make sure, you check in with the doctor and let them know that, there's something that's just off. So that's today's Daily Bite. So, keeping badass, and make sure that you're taking care of you, because you are the most important person. And if you're not at your best, you can't be the best for everyone around you. Take care.